All right, we're ready for math. Yay! Did you do any practice with counting yesterday? It's good practice. Let's review. Let's look at our numbers and let's go to reviewing our coins because this is always important to practice. We need to know our money, so I want to get that in your head. All right, who can remember what this is? Right, it's a penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So when I'm counting pennies, I'm counting 1. How many pennies do I have here? Yeah, 2. All right, so I'm showing you the front side. Whose face is on the penny? That's right, President Lincoln. And on the back side is a picture of a building. That's the Lincoln Memorial. And if you look really close on your penny, you can see a little statue. That is a picture, if you go to the real place, it's a picture of President Lincoln sitting. And it even tells you on the back of a penny, 1 cent. It tells you where the money comes from. United States of America. Liberty. It also tells you the date of when it was printed. And look at what a great reminder. In God we trust. Boys and girls, our country was founded on God's word. I think a lot of people have forgotten that nowadays. All right, let's jump to the next coin. What coin is this? Yep, it's the nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Do you remember whose face is on the nickel? Yep, that's Thomas Jefferson. And look at, you see the words "In God We Trust" again. You see the word liberty. Do you remember what liberty means? It's another word for freedom. That's right. And then here is the date it was printed. On the back side is Monticello, or Monticello, depending on where you live and how you say that. Once again, it tells us this money is from the United States of America, and it's worth 5 cents. And then let's jump over to this one. Your clue is right here. How much is it worth? It's 10 cents. It's little. It has bumpies on the side. The penny and the nickel are smooth sides. This is called the what? Right, the dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Very good. And once again, each coin looks a little bit different, but you're finding and you're seeing the same words. Liberty, in God we trust. Here, it shows the date that it was printed. On the back side, you see the torch, and you see some plants growing. United States of America, and it says 1 dime. Isn't that interesting? It doesn't say 10 cents. Remember, the nickel says 5 cents, and that says 1 cent. I think that's interesting. That says 1 dime. I guess you're supposed to know how much it is. All right, so when we're counting dimes, we're counting 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Oops, I forgot to ask you about the nickels. How many nickels do I have here? I have 2. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Oh, that reminds me. What are those? When you have 2 add-ins that are the same. Yep, it's called a double. Good job. All right, let's move this over here. And, oh, I didn't pull out the card for this one. But let's look at this one. What is that? That's our new one. Its edges are bumpy like the dime. Do you remember whose face? All right, so let's go back and answer the question. What coin is this? Yep, it's a quarter. And who is on the quarter? George Washington. There's the word liberty again. We have "In God We Trust." And there's when it was printed. Turn it over, and you see the eagle. Ooh, he looks strong, doesn't he? And this is a little bit harder to see, but there's the United States of America again. And then down here, $quarter. It's a quarter of a dollar. Remember, we need how many of these to make a dollar? We need 4 of them, that's right. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Good job. Good reviewing. Have you been playing with some money? Have you been counting things at your house? Good job. Hey, girls, will you count with me? Let's count by 5s to 100. Girls, can you do it with me? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. All right, girls, you listen. Boys, you do by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Did you sound really tough? Yeah, good. All right, have fun with that. Practice counting. Has anybody gotten brave to try and count by 2s? Putting 2 in a group? That's something you could practice. Lay your toys out, lay your Legos out, lay some coins out, and practice counting 2 at a time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How high can you go? All right, I'm going to flip you around here. All right, I have the family. Ooh, what family do I have laying out here on my table? Yep, it's the 30 family. Let's count it. Ready? And do you know why I chose this one? Yep, I want you to stick your tongue out between your teeth. Ready? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Who is the father of the 30 family? Yep, 30. This tells us the name of our family. When I look at the number, what should I be looking at first to decide what family it belongs to? Look carefully. What do each one of those numbers have first? That's right, 3. The 3 comes first. It tells me what family I'm in. There's your clue. So be careful as you look at numbers. Look at the first number. That tells you what family. All right, looking at these, let's practice. So I want you to look at this number right here. What number is that? 32. What comes before it? Remember, I'm going to have to hop backwards. Hop backwards. Oh, it reminds me. This time of year, we have a bunny that's living in our yard, round back by the trees. Okay, now she doesn't look like that, but we're going to hop backwards. So when I say before, I want you to hop backwards. Ready? Boom. What number comes before 32? 31. Yes, okay. Look at this number. 37. What comes before 37? Hop backwards. Ready? 36. Did you get it right? All right. Today I would like you to practice having Mommy give you some numbers. Any number, 1 through 100. Practice thinking about what comes before it. And remember, be a bunny and hop backwards. Take a step back, hop, or be a squirrel and skitter back.